In today's video, we will learn how you can easily summarize things in ChatGPT. One of the most useful things you can do with ChatGPT is to quickly summarize long pieces of content so you can understand the main idea without spending a lot of time reading everything yourself. This is especially helpful when you come across long articles, blog posts, research pages, or detailed online content that would normally take several minutes or even longer to go through completely. Once you have access to ChatGPT and you are signed in, you can start using one of its simplest but most powerful features, which is summarization. The process is very straightforward and it only takes a few seconds to do. For example, if you find a very long article online and you only want the key information, you can simply copy the link to that article. After that, head into ChatGPT and type a prompt asking it to summarize the article for you. A simple prompt works perfectly fine here. You can ask it to summarize the article in one sentence, a few sentences, or even a short paragraph depending on how much detail you want. Then all you need to do is paste the article link directly into the message along with your request. Once you send it, ChatGPT will begin analyzing the content and generating a much shorter version that highlights the main points. This can save a huge amount of time, especially when you are researching something, studying, or trying to stay updated on multiple topics quickly. Another useful tip is to be specific with the type of summary you want. If you only need the core idea, ask for a one-sentence summary. If you want a little more detail, ask for a short overview or a simplified explanation. You can even ask it to summarize the article in beginner-friendly language if the topic is complicated. What makes this feature so helpful is that it turns large amounts of information into something fast and easy to understand. Instead of reading an entire page from start to finish, you can immediately get the important details in just a few lines. This is one of the easiest ways to use ChatGPT productively. And once you start using summaries regularly, it becomes a major time saver for learning, research, and everyday browsing. Thanks, I hope you learned something today.